Presenting boAt Airdopes 141 earbuds. It is available in Cider, Cyan and pure white color variants. It comes with two different style variants, that is the environmental noise cancellation plus beast mode, and the other one is without the environmental noise cancellation plus beast mode. The box includes Airdopes 141, charging cable, user manual, warranty card and additional earbuds. The dimension of the product is 5 into 5 into 2 centimeters and weighs 60 grams. The Airdopes are wireless and comes with an exquisite in-ear design with a superior Bluetooth V5.0 connectivity. It also has a wake and pair feature which connects with the device instantly as soon as the Airdopes are out of the case. It delivers an immersive sound quality with 8mm audio drivers. It works with all Android and iOS devices. It offers a playback time of up to 42 hours including the 6 hours non-stop playtime for earbuds. The earbuds are also equipped with fast charging feature. The device comes with 3 lithium-ion batteries. The Airdopes comes with dual mic and environmental noise cancellation technology to have a great calling experience. It supports Google Voice Assistant or Apple Siri. It ensures a comfortable fit for all-day wear for work, exercise, walking and music. The Airdopes are IPX4 water and sweat resistant. Comes along with a quick response touch control feature for calls, music and assistance. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.